Peugeot is a pioneer in the automotive industry. Excellence, allure and emotion are the pillars that make every Peugeot unique. We aim to deliver excellence through superior manufacturing quality, while steering allure and emotion through distinctive design and ergonomic interiors. Every Peugeot car is meticulously designed to be at the top end of the upper mainstream of the market. We as a team are all committed to make Peugeot a success in ASEAN. That's why we are putting so much importance in superior quality and endurance testing.
In Southeast Asia, we are up against the elements. Our infrastructure are diverse, our roads are demanding, and our weather alternates between intense heat and tropical wet season. This dynamics also means that Peugeot cars in ASEAN require a level of endurance not typical in other markets. This is why we build and test our vehicles in Malaysia to ensure they are built to perform and fit for purpose.
Stellantis Gurun Malaysia has a capacity to build 70,000 cars per annum. This plant is upgraded to the latest manufacturing technologies, and the products are built at the quality level that we have in Europe. Here we make Peugeot 308, Peugeot 508 7-seater, and Peugeot 208 that is recently launched. We make these cars for Malaysia and other Asian countries like Indonesia, Thailand, Myanmar, Philippines, and Cambodia.
Before a model is launched into ASEAN, the quality team runs over 45,000 kilometer endurance tests. We put ourselves in the customer's shoes and test for every possible scenario. Highways, arterial roads, suburban streets, congested city traffic, uphills, downhills, hard cornering, mid-corner understeering. The Peugeot 3008 and 5008 has been tested for more than 300,000 kilometers, while the Peugeot 2008 has endured for more than 200,000 kilometers.
Our testing takes in consideration a large range of factors. We are looking for all the functions, and we are checking that all the functions work well in this very challenging condition. For the air conditioning or the engine cooling with the hot and the humidity, but also for the heavy rain to see the impact on the underbody of the vehicle. We are looking at the wear of materials, for example on the headlamp, on the windscreen or on door seals. We work on a new process for the door aiming to guarantee the seal and the corrosion. All the improvements and the lesson learned of our testing are added to the Stellantis worldwide standard.
Peugeot aspires to design, engineer, build, and test cars for our customers and their local condition, no matter where they are. To realize this, we build Peugeot cars in ASEAN for ASEAN.
Peugeot, built in ASEAN for ASEAN.
We build Peugeot cars in ASEAN and for you in ASEAN.
Peugeot, built in ASEAN for ASEAN.
We built a Peugeot car in ASEAN for you in ASEAN.